Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Mopar Mike over at Nielsen Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram. Recently had a customer take home a Wrangler 392 that he's been having some annoyances with some alarms coming from the factory GPS navigation. It's a TomTom based navigation system built into the radio. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to turn off some of these alerts. For context, this individual actually lives out in Staten Island, and in Staten Island there's a lot of red light and speed light cameras, and the factory navigation is set by default to alert the driver when they're coming near these cameras, so that they don't get caught by them. To give you an idea that they're around, so that you're more aware, so you don't get caught in that situation where you're getting those tickets in the mail. I'm going to show you how to turn them off, because in areas like Staten Island, Long Island, Manhattan, there's a lot of those cameras around, and it can definitely get a little frustrating if you already know where they are and you don't want to hear the beeping all the time. So come take a look. So on the Wrangler, you are going to go to your factory navigation, which is right here. Once that loads up, we're going to go hit the menu option down in the lower left corner, and then we are going to go to settings. We're going to go to sound and alerts, and then you see here cameras is selected there, so we're going to go ahead and turn that off, and it's as simple as that. Now you'll see there's other options here as well. Safety warnings when speeding, there's a traffic jam ahead. So there's all different sorts of sounds and alerts that you can adjust to your liking. So if you have any questions, let me know.